Welcome back to Auto Explorer. The Mazda MX-5 Miata has been a beloved sports car since its debut in 1990. For 2025, Mazda celebrates its legacy with the 35th Anniversary Edition, featuring exclusive Aristan Red paint, a luxurious tan leather interior, and a commemorative plaque. Let's explore why this lightweight roadster remains a true icon. The Miata's timeless design continues to impress with its long hood, compact tail, and gracefully curved convertible body. The RF model offers a sleek retractable hardtop, while the 35th Anniversary Edition stands out with its special color and premium touches. Its sporty proportions make it a head-turner on any road. Under the hood, the Miata houses a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing 181 horsepower and 151 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, the Miata delivers a thrilling, responsive driving experience. For those preferring an automatic, it's available on the Grand Touring trim. With handling upgrades like Bilstein shocks, Brembo brakes, and Recaro seats, the Miata is a driver's dream. Its EPA rating of up to 35 miles per gallon ensures it's efficient too. Inside, the Miata offers a minimalist yet refined cabin. The 8.8-inch touchscreen, manually adjustable seats, and 6-speaker sound system are standard. Premium options include heated leather seats and a Bose stereo with headrest speakers. While storage space is limited, the focus on driving essentials ensures an immersive sports car experience. Every Miata comes standard with safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. The Grand Touring trim adds traffic sign recognition and automatic high beams. While lacking adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, the Miata ensures confidence on the road. Starting at $30,515, the 2025 Miata remains an affordable yet thrilling sports car. Carryover trims are available now, with the 35th Anniversary Edition expected in February 2025. Competing with the Subaru BRZ, Toyota GR86, and Ford Mustang convertible, the Miata continues to stand out as a pure driving machine. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official reveal. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting car content.